Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's Product Peek, we're taking a look at a cute, clever, yet potentially life-saving product that's commonly overlooked. Of course, I'm talking about Shifter Hoodies from Billet Works. So picture this, you just picked up a brand new stainless steel weighted shift knob from Billet Works or beyond. You install it, it looks great, it feels great, you go out for a drive and it's the best cruise you've ever been on. Finally, you park the car and go about your day. A few hours later, you walk back to take the car out on another heavenly drive and find this. Ooh, ouch. That's where the Billet Works shift knob hoodies come to save the day. These hoodies come in all sorts of different varieties, ranging from the standard WRX and STI logos to more iconic prints such as the Turbo Gary from SpongeBob and Tuna No Crust, all the way to more raunchy slogans such as iHeart MILFs and the double middle finger Rick and Morty. The choice is yours and the styles are endless. Not to mention, they just plain look cool while you're protecting your skin from chilling cold all the way to liquid hot magma. And hey, even if you don't have an aftermarket shifter, stuff like this is just a conversation starter. So for thousands of parts just like this, and this right here, and tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.